the first coat. I think it went alright. I reckon it's probably going to take at least 3 to get it nice and consistent. But it's been a couple of hours since I put the first coat on. So it's dried up pretty good. It's obviously going to need at least 1, maybe 2 more, but it's going on alright. That's the second coat. I swamped it a bit back here because I've missed it the first coat. That was tucked in, so I hit it, but I feel like I've swamped it there. Yeah, but anyway, hopefully I'll fill it in a bit better on the third coat. But it's usually pretty forgiving and dry up nicely. Second coat's dry. Looking pretty consistent. Actually, might not be fully dry yet. It should be dry enough just to hit it with 1 more. She's dried up nicely. Yeah, been a couple hours since I did the third coat. It looks pretty consistent. But I tell you, I'm nervous. Now it all comes down to how easily this tape peels off. As I mentioned before, I bought this more expensive tape. First time I just used the kind of usual Scotch tape, but this is Scotch blue sharp lines. We're about to see whether or not it's any good. Oh shit. Which way do I go? Do I go up? Do I go down? Do I do the middle? Maybe I just got to go for the middle. Is it like a band-aid? Do I do it in one? Oh, just trying to. Come to pop up. Still gripping. What I found is if I put some pressure where the tape's attached to the line, yeah, so just nice and tight. Slowly. Quit a bit nervous. Slow and steady, mate. Yeah, see, it's a bit shit. I wanted crisper lines like than that, but anyway, I'll keep trying to remove it as best as I can. Yeah, I found that just keeping your finger keeping everything really tight, pulling as straight up as you can and not going to the side, like up, keep your finger on it, just go nice and easy. This one's coming off pretty good. Yeah, happy with that one. That one came off pretty good. To the naked eye, not bad. Could have got a bit rounder in there. Yeah, not bad. Now, it's all about this centre stripe. Wish me luck. Not coming off that great. Down the centre. And it's a large part of it, I think, is because it's one piece of tape. So I can't do both sides at once. So in hindsight, it'd be better to do 2 strips. Yeah, but it's probably not that easy either. So I'm just going super slowly because I can't do much more than one bit each side at a time. Because definitely down this. Because actually, it's got nothing to grip on either. There's no, like here was an edge. So this is just flat. Yeah, it's a bit shit. Shit! Can you believe that just happened? Oh my God. Yeah, so once I poured myself a drink, and it's funny because I was talking about happy accidents before. I can't remember in what context, but maybe that was a happy accident. Me putting a big rip in the plastic dip. So maybe the solution is sticker, either rectangle like that, or maybe even a circle, a big circle, and then if it crashed here a bit, that's kind of cool. We could just cut around. Helps if I point the camera where I put my fingers. Yeah, if it was a circle, but even a rectangle, and yeah, maybe it's finding some cool racing sticker or designing something. I don't know. Doesn't fix the fact that it's pretty shit here as well, but maybe it's all right. Maybe it's patina. Maybe I hit it all with a blowtorch just to. I don't know. We'll see. We'll hunt for a sticker.